Everybody, thank you for watching Lucky Laptop News. We are here on Worcester Street at the museum. West Plains Fire is on scene. They got a fire alarm call. Again, I am here with Firm Audits and Lady Justice Liberty Press. There's South Powell County Ambulance coming on scene as well. I'm going back on the other side on the sidewalk.
Alright, yeah, me too.
Trying to get everybody in frame, so just give me a second. There we go. Got another volunteer pulling up.
Get all up in the business.
Oh, you're alright, man. Well, Firm wanted another video before we all called it a night.
Right?
And we were literally getting ready to leave. It was like South Powell County, West Plains Primary. Well, hang on, we're not leaving yet. This is South Powell 1, everybody. Me too. False call.
They said they didn't need us, so we're heading out.
Well, that means there's no actual fire then, so.
Probably what it means.
You guys have a wonderful night.
You too.
There goes South County Ambulance. I'm gonna go over here and get a better angle. Yeah, but they're not flashing lights.
Oh, okay.
Same thing with that one. There are fuel. That is indicating how full the water tank is.
Oh, okay.
All four of them. You see, there's like 4 bars.
Yes.
They change colors as they draw.
Oh, okay.
Goes from green, yellow, and a red, and the red means you're dangerously low or empty. I hope this could be a thumbnail. That's a beautiful shot with the firefighters right there in the center of the trucks. With the sign. Just noticed something on that truck at the front end. If you can zoom in, that little light right there is the number. It's looks like it's 4615 or 4618, maybe 13. I can't hardly tell the last number. Hey, I got a question. Can I get a close-up of the number that's lit up on the truck? Can I get a close-up on the number that's lit up on the truck? I think that's pretty cool how you got...
We're getting ready to leave, and I was like, yeah, that's fine.
I just noticed it and I was like, wow, that is pretty cool that they actually got the number on the truck lit up. See, that's what I was talking about, everybody. That is so cool. Alright, Lady J, I'm going to move out over here so we got more of a space. That way they can pull out. You guys have a good one. Be safe tonight. Man, that was exciting enough.
Yeah, it was. It was. I'm glad the museum isn't burning down.
I am too. And this one's still got its lights on, but he's getting ready to... That's cool. The lights reflecting off the truck. What's up, everybody? They got police scanner going, you hear that?
Yep.
Alright, everybody, y'all have a good one. Be safe. It is no longer Friday. It is Saturday morning, I do believe. As I'm redoing this video, it was 11:40 something when this call came out. So I'm pretty sure it's midnight by now. I'm getting ready to take Lady J home, and then I'm going to go park on a dirt road and listen to this scanner some more and see if anything major might happen. Alright, everybody. Have a good one. If you're going about traveling, be safe. Watch for motorcyclists, pedestrians, bicyclists, other drivers. It's definitely all I can say is just be safe out there. Till next time, everybody. Peace out. Subscribe to Firm Audit 2, Lady Justice Liberty Press, Lucky Laptop News, which is my channel, CBS News, which is my girlfriend's channel, JC News Now, Show Me News Now. Till next time, everybody. Peace.